Sachin. I have completed my graduation in UBDT College of Engineering, Davangere, specialized in computer science and engineering. And about JSPIDERS, I got to know about JSPIDERS while they are coming to our college for incubation drive, and I have also got selected for that. And I am fully excited about that. How I have also got selected, and in JSPIDERS, I went to JSPIDERS classes. Keshav sir teaching is very excellent on Java, and after Keshav sir completed that OOPS concept, Uday sir taken all the advanced concepts. And coming to the SQL part, he Bhuvan sir teaching is very excellent, and he'll teach in easy way to understand. Everyone will understand from basics. He will teach, and programming class was conducted by Sharik sir. He'll also excellent in technical part, and aptitude wise, Lavanya Kumar sir also teach in very easy way to understand everything, and we can learn very new things in JSPIDERS as we are regularly going to presentation class. That presentation class were very helpful for us to improve our communication skills and improve our technical skills and all. In JSPIDERS, I would like to thanks everyone to give me that best opportunity to learn new things, and HRs are very supportive to us for getting a placement, and I have tortured them like everything, and they gave me a best opportunities too, and I got selected in one reputed company. Thank you all.